This Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop, Model 18806, is a powerful and versatile tool for maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene of your hard floors. As a cleaning enthusiast, I found this steam mop to be an exceptional addition to my cleaning arsenal, and here's why. The Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop boasts a sleek, modern design in a striking sapphire blue finish that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. It is well constructed, with durable materials that suggest longevity and reliability. The mop is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the house, even in tight spaces. The 25-foot power cord provides ample reach, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions without the need to switch power outlets frequently. One of the standout features of the PowerFresh Deluxe is its user-friendly design. Setting up the mop is straightforward. Simply fill the water tank using the included measuring cup, attach the microfiber cleaning pad, and you're ready to go. The water tank is easy to fill and holds a sufficient amount of water to cover a large area without frequent refills. The mop heats up quickly, in just 30 seconds, allowing you to start cleaning almost immediately. When it comes to performance, the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop excels. It offers two steam settings, high and low, to cater to different cleaning needs. The high steam setting is perfect for tackling tough, stuck-on messes, while the low setting is ideal for regular maintenance and light cleaning tasks. The steam is distributed evenly across the cleaning pad, ensuring consistent and thorough cleaning. The inclusion of the detachable SpotBoost Brush is a game-changer for handling stubborn stains and sticky spots. This feature allows you to target specific areas with concentrated steam and scrubbing action, effectively loosening and removing dirt that would otherwise require considerable effort. One of the most compelling reasons to use a steam mop is its sanitizing power. The PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop sanitizes floors by eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals, making it a safer choice for households with children and pets. The natural power of steam not only cleans but also disinfects surfaces, providing peace of mind and a healthier home environment. The PowerFresh Deluxe is safe to use on a variety of sealed hard floors, including hardwood, linoleum, ceramic, tile, marble, and granite. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for maintaining different flooring types throughout your home. The microfiber cleaning pad is gentle yet effective, lifting dirt and grime without scratching or damaging the surface. One of the unique features of this steam mop is the built-in tray for Spring Breeze fragrance discs. These discs release a fresh, pleasant scent as you clean, enhancing the cleaning experience and leaving your home smelling great. While the use of fragrance discs is optional, it's a thoughtful addition for those who appreciate a bit of aromatherapy during their cleaning routine. As an animal lover, I appreciate Bissell's commitment to supporting pet-related causes. Every purchase of the PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. This initiative adds an extra layer of satisfaction, knowing that your purchase makes a positive impact beyond just your household. While the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop offers numerous benefits, there are a few practical considerations to keep in mind. The mop does not feature an automatic cord rewind, which means you'll need to manually wind the cord after use. Additionally, it's important to ensure that the floors are properly sealed before using the steam mop to avoid potential damage. In summary, the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop, Model 18806, is an outstanding cleaning tool that combines effectiveness, convenience, and thoughtful features. Its powerful steam output, quick heat-up time, and easy maneuverability make it a joy to use. The added SpotBoost Brush and the option to use fragrance discs further enhance its appeal. The mop's ability to sanitize floors naturally without harsh chemicals is a significant advantage, particularly for households with children and pets. Moreover, Bissell's dedication to supporting pet welfare through the Bissell Pet Foundation is a commendable initiative that adds value to your purchase. While there are a few minor drawbacks, such as the lack of an automatic cord rewind, these are easily outweighed by the mop's numerous benefits. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop is a worthy investment for anyone seeking an efficient, versatile, and user-friendly solution for maintaining clean and sanitized hard floors. Its thoughtful design and powerful performance make it a standout choice in the realm of steam mops. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.